How to link two-factor authentication to your Pi network. In this video tutorial, I'm going to simply show you how to link your two-factor authentication to your Pi network. So let's dive right into the video. Right here is the home page of my Pi app. Now the top left corner, you can see the three-line icon right there. If you click on that like this, you're going to see the option of mainnet. So clicking on mainnet like this, you just need to scroll and click on mainnet checklist. You can see that option right here. So clicking on that like this, it is actually going to direct you to this page. So right here, you need to scroll like this. Looking here, you can see where it says confirm your Pi wallet. So you just need to go ahead and tap on that like this and input your seed phrase. So right here, you just need to go ahead and input your passphrase like this. Once you're done doing that, go ahead and click on confirm your wallet like this in order to confirm your wallet. So right here you can see where it says email confirmation sent. So you just need to go to your Gmail and check if you received any email. Once you're done doing that, go ahead and click on confirm like this. So looking here on the screen, you can see verification successful. So you've been able to link your two-factor authentication to your Pi network. So this is how simple it is for you to do that. Hope you found this guide helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel. This is AppFix and AIN channel. See you in the next one.